Navigating through numerous products can be daunting. Simplify your decision-making process with our curated selection of the top 6 products. Explore detailed descriptions and stay updated on pricing. U.S. Stove Company, BSK 2000. Experience the ultimate outdoor cooking solutions with the U.S. Stove Company, BSK 2000 Heavy-Duty Camp Stove Kit. Crafted for durability and performance, this camp stove kit is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a backyard barbecue, this versatile stove delivers reliable heat and cooking power. Constructed with heavy-duty materials, the BSK 2000 ensures long-lasting use in rugged environments. Its black finish adds a touch of sleekness to your outdoor setup, while its medium size strikes the perfect balance between portability and cooking capacity. Equipped with everything you need for a successful outdoor cooking experience, this kit includes a sturdy stove body, a versatile grate for grilling or supporting pots and pans, and a convenient ash rake for easy cleanup. With its simple assembly and user-friendly design, you'll be ready to cook up a storm in no time. Whether you're simmering chili, searing steaks, or boiling water for coffee, the U.S. Stove Company BSK 2000 Heavy-Duty Camp Stove Kit empowers you to create delicious meals wherever your adventures take you. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with this reliable and versatile camp stove kit. JoChef. The JoChef Camp Stove Butane burner boasts CSA certification, affirming its adherence to the industry's exacting standards for utilization with butane fuel. Equipped with a safety lock mechanism, integrated pressure sensor safeguard, and gas leakage prevention, the JoChef Camping Cooking Stove prioritizes safety. Crafted with a spirit of adventure, our 3LB Camping Burner Mini Stove combines remarkable durability with portability. Whether trekking, camping, or embarking on a road trip, its lightweight design and accompanying carrying case facilitate effortless transport. Harness the precision of its temperature control dial to achieve culinary excellence in your camp kitchen, from a sizzling steak to a gently simmering soup. Furthermore, the JoChef portable stove for camping features a windscreen to ensure a steadfast flame, while its frame accommodates pans of up to 10 inches in diameter. With a mere flick of a switch, the potent gas flame is ignited, obviating the need for matches or lighters. Constructed from robust copper material, the camping stove's gas burner guarantees enduring performance. Gas 1 GS1000. The Gas 1 GS1000 Portable Butane Gas Stove, your perfect companion for outdoor cooking adventures. With its compact designs and powerful performance, this stove is ideal for camping trips, picnics, tailgating, and more. Boasting a robust 7,650 BTU output, the GS1000 delivers rapid and consistent heat, allowing you to cook your favorite meals with ease. Its automatic ignition system ensures hassle-free operation, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Simply twist the knob and ignite the flame. It's that easy. Designed with convenience in mind, this portable stove comes with a handy carrying case for effortless transportation and storage. Whether you're heading to the beach or setting up camp in the wilderness, the GS1000 is ready to go wherever adventure calls. Safety is paramount, which is why the Gas 1 GS1000 is CSA listed. This ensures it meets rigorous safety standards for peace of mind during use. Plus, its sturdy construction and durable materials guarantee long-lasting performances, making it a reliable addition to your outdoor gear collection. Upgrade your outdoor cooking experience with the Gas 1 GS1000 Portable Butane Gas Stove and enjoy delicious meals on the go wherever your journey takes you. Smokey Camp. If you seek a lightweight backpacking mess kit, Smokey Camp presents itself as the ideal selection. Effortlessly attachable to your backpack, it ensures convenient transport during your excursions. Whether for a picnic, hiking adventure, or overnight trips, this non-stick camping cookware emerges as the optimal solution for your outdoor culinary requirements. Simplifying camp cooking, this compact camping cooking set is ingeniously designed. The pots are crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, while stainless steel material is employed in the construction of the 3500W high-power stove. Thus, you can relish the ultimate outdoor cooking experience with this survival cooking gear. It's robust, windproof, high-power, foldable, and portable stove incorporates a windshield design to shield against wind, enhancing burning efficiency and conserving energy. Moreover, the stove features a piezo ignition system and flame controller, adding convenience and practicality. The kit is furnished with 2 types of connectors, suitable for various gas tanks. Boasting a rapid boiling time of approximately 3 minutes for 1 liter of water, this kit promises efficiency without compromising performance. Flame King VT101. With a formidable 20,000 BTU heat output emanating from its 2 burners, this stove is more than capable of catering to the culinary needs of your entire family and friends. Each burner features an adjustable control knob, ensuring precise heat management for every dish. Enhancing ease of use, 2 wind guards flank the sides, while the lid cover conveniently converts into a windshield, making outdoor cooking both enjoyable and effortless. Engineered for stability and efficiency, it's an ideal companion for backpacking, hiking, camping trips, and any outdoor endeavor. Operating on a 1 lb propane cylinder, available separately, it can also be effortlessly connected to a larger propane tank using a Flame King propane adapter hose. Its compact and lightweight designs make it easy to transport and set up, while the integrated grill grate offers versatile cooking options for any outdoor culinary adventure. Constructed with quality materials, this camping stove grill is well built to withstand the rigor of outdoor use, ensuring long-lasting durability for years of enjoyment. Plus, its sleek and stylish designs adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor cooking setup. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with the Flame King VT101 2-burner portable camping stove grill and enjoy delicious meals with family and friends wherever your travels may lead. Penguins. Engineered to withstand the rugged conditions of the outdoors, the Dr. Howe's camping stove is meticulously crafted with durability at its core. Its robust build ensures enduring performance, while its easy-to-clean feature simplifies post-meal maintenance, allowing you to devote more time to appreciating nature's beauty. Elevate your outdoor culinary experience with unmatched versatility. This camping stove is designed to be your steadfast companion on every adventure. Lightweight and portable, it effortlessly fits into your backpack, catering perfectly to hikers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With this camp stove, you'll spend less time grappling with matches and more time relishing the warmth of your outdoor meals. Powered efficiently, it serves as the perfect ally for your camping endeavors. Witness the seamless fusion of science and design in our camping stove. Painstakingly engineered for optimal performance, it guarantees stability even in the most challenging terrains. Experience precision and reliability like never before in your campsite cooking endeavors. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.